A bowl of soup can change the mood of an entire evening, right? Let's make a jhatpat fatafat corn soup in the new Philips OneChef. For boiling the corn, press the power button, select boil mode followed by veg preset. Set the timer to 10 minutes on high heat and press start. Add water to the cooking pot, little bit of salt and the sweet corn kernels. Cover with a special glass lid and cook for about 10 minutes. Strain the boiled kernels and allow them to cool slightly. Transfer to a mixer jar and grind into a smooth paste. Keep aside for further use. Press the power button again. Select boil mode followed by veg preset. Set the timer to 20 minutes on medium heat and press start. Add oil to the cooking pot. Once it's hot, add chopped ginger, add the prepared corn paste, water, chopped carrots, sliced baby corn and let simmer for about 9 to 10 minutes. In a bowl, add cornstarch, water and mix well. Keep this slurry aside for further use. Add the whole boiled corn, salt to taste, white pepper powder, cubed paneer, chopped capsicum and let boil for another 8 minutes. Add a little bit of vinegar followed by the prepared cornstarch slurry and cook for the remaining 1 to 2 minutes until it's slightly thickened. Once done, transfer to a serving bowl. Garnish with spring onions, a drizzle of chili oil and serve hot. Comfort food made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.